Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz360. Today I have this TV remote which belongs to Hisense. So the model is ERF3R69H. So I am going to show you how to take this apart, how to tear this down. So without wasting any time, let me take this apart. So first we have to take out the batteries from this housing. So then we have to keep this separately, the cover. Then slowly by prying like this, you can see there is a lock here. Let me show you in close up. So let me show you in close up. You can see how it comes out. It's a simple lock here, you can see here. Similarly, all four sides locks will be there. So we have to slowly pry it like this. So this side it is open. You can see this side also it is open. Now this side. Make sure the key may falls, the buttons might fall. So make sure before taking this apart you capture the photo of the front side where you can place the buttons again. If you misplace it, then different buttons, then it will work differently. So alright, now you can see like this. One more clip is there here. That's it. So this is the housing here. I'm going to zoom out. So if you want to see, you can see like this. There are some components here. Now slowly I'm going to lift this. You can see. So these are the button section. So there will be a sticker here actually. So behind these buttons will be there. If you press that sticker, you can see continuity will happen here. Once you press, click sound will come. So this is how the remote works, and this is the IR blaster, and there are some circuits here. So 1.5 volt, 2 batteries we have to install. That is AAA size, the small size. AAA 1.5 volt, 2 batteries. So that's it for this video. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video of this teardown, please like the video and hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.